Hey everyone! Imagine a world where cars never need washing, buildings stay spotless, and water simply refuses to stick. Science fiction? Not anymore. Researchers have just developed a revolutionary material that takes water repellency to the next level. And it all starts with an advanced material called metal organic frameworks, or MOFs. Let's dive in. Welcome to Trend Storm. Chapter 1. The Science Behind Superhydrophobic Surfaces. Scientists from Karlsruhe Institute of Technology and the Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati have crafted a breakthrough surface that makes water droplets bounce right off. The secret? A futuristic material called MOFs. These are ultra-porous materials designed to have incredibly high surface areas. Just 2 grams of MOFs can cover an entire football field. Now, by grafting hydrocarbon chains onto MOF films, researchers have created a superhydrophobic surface with a water contact angle of over 160 degrees. That means water droplets roll away effortlessly, leaving no residue behind. Chapter 2. How does it work? What makes this even more fascinating is the brush-like structure formed by the hydrocarbon chains. These molecules coil into a high-entropy state, a special disorderly arrangement that amplifies water repellency. Interestingly, when scientists tried to enhance this effect using fluorine, like in Teflon, the hydrophobicity actually decreased. A counterintuitive discovery that highlights the uniqueness of this new material. Chapter 3. The Future of Self-Cleaning Technology. So, what does this mean for the real world? The possibilities are endless. Think about automobiles that never need a car wash, buildings that stay clean despite pollution, and even medical devices that repel fluids with precision. This could revolutionize architecture, automotive industries, and even healthcare. Chapter 4. What's next? Researchers are now fine-tuning this technology, testing how surface roughness can further enhance self-cleaning properties. The future of materials science is unfolding before our eyes, and this is just the beginning. Source: Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. So, what do you think? Could this breakthrough lead to a cleaner, more efficient future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you love cutting-edge science and tech, don't forget to smash that like button, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the trend storm. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more breakthroughs in science and tech, and until next time, keep storming those trends.